Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use this tool. This tool is a hand router, okay? Hand router, and today we're gonna learn one of the uses for this one. So one of the uses that I give to this hand router is to fix when I am joining my pieces and they're getting too tight. So after we have run the tenons on our table saw, and then we are testing them with our um, legs in this case, we're going to see how it gets too tight. So by being too tight, it doesn't give any room for the glue. So what we're going to do is we're going to plane a little bit using our hand router. Um, And what I have done now is I have adjusted the knife in a way that we can. So what I was saying is we want to adjust the knife just enough so clean, we can clean or scrape the wood. And the way it works is you just clean it like this. You will see me now doing that. I'm going to lower it a little bit more. Okay, so now we can see it's fitting better. It's a bit less tight. And that's how we want it. Want it like that. So we can give room for the glue. So now you saw this is the use for this hand router. This is one of the uses that I use. Of course, you can always use the old school chisel. That's how we used to do it. We used to clean up using the chisel. This is a 2-inch chisel. That's another way how it can be done too.